Okay, so I have my sandpaper here in the bucket of water, my 2000 grit. I never tear it so well, but alright. And the bigger the number on the sandpaper is the finer the grain. And here I have my chamois. So what we're gonna do, wet the headlights, wet them, right? Get it all soapy and wet. And don't be afraid, right? Keep the bonnet open so when you're using the sandpaper you don't scratch up the bonnet. Be careful not to scratch the black parts and the bumper and all that part. Be careful else you'll have to rub it out back, right? So now my sandpaper is here in the water, alright? So all I'm going to do is use my 2000 grit sandpaper and rub this headlight properly to get off all that's come off it. Rub. This is the proper way. So those men you see on the road telling that they can't clean it, if they're not doing this, they're not cleaning it properly, right? Rub. Just keep on doing that till most of it come off. Then we change to the finer grain sandpaper to get our headlight all smooth, right? You see, if you're looking, you will see all that murkiness coming off, right? Wet again. Keep wetting non-stop. You must never allow the headlight to be dry. Never allow that to happen. All over, rub. Alright? Keep doing that. We soon change to our 2005 grit.